Hey, y'all. Hey. It's Queen Atrina, and I am coming to tell you who I am. First of all, I am the founder of this phenomenal group called The Intentional Collab and the Be Intentional Mastermind Academy. And the unique value that I bring is I am a business coach that teaches structure, branding, and funding. I did it wrong for a whole bunch of years, like 13 of them. And when I figured out that I was doing it wrong, somebody helped me fix it, and I wanted to pay it forward. So now my goal is to help as many people as possible structure, brand, and fund their business so that they are spending other people's money and creating generational wealth.
So my name is Alicia Taylor.
I'm Coach Dunbar.
Hello, Mastermind. I'm Coach Ariel Simone.
I'm Dr. Oliver T. Reed.
I'm Pamela Smith.
I'm Sharita Rael, the Vision Catalyst, also known as Raziki Zafira, Medicine Woman. And what I bring to this group is a beautiful blend of spirit and practicality, and making sure that the leaders that we are can continue to be well so we can serve the people that we're here to serve in the best and highest capacity that we're able to.
The Mastermind Academy, the Intentional Collab, it's for everybody. It's for your mama, it's for your daddy, for your sister, your brother, your grandmother, for your kids. It's for everybody. And they can benefit from it because, again, we're teaching people how to not only generate the wealth, but also protect the wealth. Protect that wealth and pass that wealth down to their children. This is the best part. Like when this group was being created, this mastermind, this collective, it was out of a spirit and a vision that community comes first. And we have this information, we have access, and it's really important for us to gift it to the people that we love most, right? So it's not a space of, oh, we're doing it just because we want a money grab. No, we're doing this because it's an act of service for us. So what does it look like for you to be able to take this, really leverage it, go build your business, but build your legacy as well? So socioeconomics, Black impact, beauty, and for the culture.
I hope to accomplish in this group someone walking away and having literary equity, that they would rather write their story while they're alive than people skim over the highlights when they die. That they will understand they're more than just a couple words at the end of their obituary, that they leave a legacy that cannot be duplicated.
It's important because as a business automation coach, I really do believe in all-in-one. And I think a lot of people who are looking to build a business, to really looking to grow, the fact that they can get in a group with a bunch of coaches in one place, get information, even if they miss it, they can go back and review the information. To be taught by so many leaders at the same time at one affordable price, that's kind of the best deal that they can get, especially right now as they're looking to build up.
We are able to take to the masses what we have. We're able to pass this on, our knowledge. I have not seen anything like this group out there. So we have a wealth of knowledge to pass on. People wouldn't be able to afford what we're getting ready to give them. And just such amazing coaches in this group. Their hearts, their giving spirits. I love that.
The Be Intentional Collab to me means community, unity, and growth.
Clarity, empowerment, and growth.
Aligned, divine, and right on time.
Bold, innovative, creativity.
Growth, success, automation.
Brilliant, excellence, Black.
Unduplicatable, timely, relevant.